So, what is an amethyst, and how does this natural crystal come to have such a rich and otherworldly color? Well, buckle up because there's actually some super awesome science behind the formation of amethysts, and we are diving straight in. So, first of all, what is amethyst? Amethyst is actually a variation of the quartz family, which is a crystal formed in pockets of trapped gas within igneous rock. Quartz also happens to be the second most common mineral on Earth, which is pretty unimpressive when you think about it. So the question becomes, how do we get this precious gemstone from the average Joe of the crystal world, essentially? And this is where things get very interesting. There are two rare conditions required to turn milky white quartz into rich violet amethysts. First off, the crystal lattice of the quartz must have iron 3 plus atoms trapped within its formation. This becomes the foundation of the color of the amethyst. The second condition is that a radioactive element, such as uranium or thorium, must be present in the crystal's surrounding environment. The gamma radiation from these radioactive elements serves to oxidize the iron 3 plus atoms, giving each of them one extra electron, turning them into iron 4 plus atoms. This serves to turn the iron impurities into what are known as color centers. Color centers are imperfections in the crystal lattice that absorb specific colors of light. Iron 4 plus color centers specifically absorb yellow and green light, which only leaves red and blue light to reflect through the crystal and ultimately bounce off of it. Now, the red and blue light bouncing off of the crystal is ultimately what's going to mix together to form visible purple light, which becomes the iconic and defining color of amethysts. So, yes, amethyst may only be plain old quartz, second most common mineral on Earth, but the rare and unlikely conditions that give them their unique color is what makes them truly special. And I think that's pretty awesome, and I hope you do too. Thank you for watching.